Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the 411 on all things health and beauty. Being in the cosmetic industry for over 25 years has allowed me to be an industry insider where I am exposed to trend-setting ingredients and products well before they come to market. I'm completely in tune with clean ingredients. This is something that I've been practicing for over 10 years with my own cosmetic line, and now it's mainstream, go figure. I was way ahead of the curve. So today's product, I'm really excited to share with you guys because I've been seeing all these reviews on Instagram, is the product Cocunat. We have your curl booster, we have the serum, and I have the spray. Being in Florida and being that I really don't have a lot of time to do my hair these days and the humidity doesn't help any, I wanted to really try this product to see what kind of results it really gives you. So the first thing I did today is I put the serum on as they had suggested to my wet hair and worked it into the ends. And then I put a few pumps of the curl booster. You have to go on to their website or either use the QR code to give you the instructions on your type of hair. So just don't forget to do that. And then I used a diffuser, and then I did the curl spray. Honestly, you guys, I don't like giving bad reviews. So if I don't like a product, usually I'm not going to feature it. So this product I'm featuring, so that means, guess what? I did like it. Do I love it? I don't love it yet. Maybe I need to use it a little bit more because I feel like it's still a little bit crunchy and I don't like the feel of it actually. But I can't say that I don't have some nice curls. I really, really love the fact that these products are all clean ingredients. And I looked up the ingredients for the serum, and I was really excited to see that as I was going through each ingredient, none of them exceeded the number one, for the exception of the last two, which rated a bit higher, which that means there's no concerns for any carcinogenic risks, no development or reproductive risks. Again, any of the products that I use, I look for products with ingredient ratings less than 3. The serum is the only thing that I looked up before I did this review, but I will be looking up all the rest of the ingredients and putting the ratings on those. So going back to the serum, the only 2 ingredients that rated high, one of the ingredients is linalool. The concerns on these ingredients is more along the lines of allergies and immune toxicity. Again, they're all natural products derived out of plants. A lot of the ingredients are, like some of them are pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, sesame seed, hazel seed, and there's also vitamin E in here. One of them is used as the fragrance, which is limonene. It's more along the lines to you having a potential risk of being allergic to it. Just because something is natural doesn't necessarily mean that there's no risks to it. So that's what you're going to be learning here on my channel. So I give this product a thumbs up. I wish that they would find different ingredients to replace the ones that are in the higher risk that could potentially cause an allergic reaction. It's not severe. So again, I give this product a thumbs up. Will I keep using it? I definitely will. I'm going to see how it wears on my hair as I keep using it because this is my first time trying it and I want to make sure that the health of my hair is consistent. And right now, you guys, is when you have the ability to look on YouTube like we are here or do your own research. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a chemist, but that's the beauty of what I'm teaching you. You don't have to be a doctor or a chemist to find out if the products are good for you. First and foremost, that's what all companies should be doing. You're giving your hard-earned money to these companies. Why should you worrying about what's in the product? The product should be sold to you with integrity of being safe for you. And I don't get it why that hasn't been the norm. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so now. And don't forget to turn on the notification button so you guys won't miss my next videos. Talk to you guys later.